start using your Apollo board, plug the device into a nearby outlet and press the power switch down to turn on the device. After pressing the power switch on, the Apollo board will activate after 5 seconds. Do not turn on or off the power switch during this period. When using the Apollo board, be sure to stand on the black training surface of the board. Please do not step off of the training area to avoid the equipment being pulled off the ground. This is a safety risk. In the Apollo board control panel, you can control resistance adjustment, switch training modes, and control start-stop operations. The center button starts and stops the Apollo board's training mode. The button on the left-hand side of the board marked M lets you change training modes. The switch marked LR on the right-hand side of the board controls the left and/or right cables of the machine. The knob around the center start-stop button adjusts the resistance of the machine's cables. When the numbers on the Apollo board screen are flashing, the device is now in adjustable state. You can now adjust the resistance levels of the cables by rotating the center knob. Rotate the knob to the right to increase resistance. Rotate the knob to the left to decrease resistance. After you adjust the Apollo board's resistance weight, you need to press the middle start-stop button to secure the resistance level. Wait until the numbers on the screen are no longer flashing. Now you are ready to begin training with your Apollo board. The Apollo board is equipped with 2 Bluetooth speakers. Connect to the device marked the Apollo board using your phone or device's Bluetooth system. After connecting, you can now use the Apollo board as a Bluetooth speaker for music. The Apollo board comes with 3 training modes: standard, eccentric, and isokinetic. When the Apollo board is in an adjustable state, press the M button to adjust the training mode. Standard mode allows for consistent weight resistance while training. The resistance when pulling the cables upward and lowering the cables downward during an exercise will remain the same. The weight resistance is evenly distributed throughout positive and negative motion during an exercise. For example, if you set your machine to 10 pounds of weight, the resistances of the positive and negative motions of an exercise are both set at 10 pounds. When training in eccentric mode, the weight resistance will be heavier during the eccentric phase of your exercise. This means that if you set the cable weight resistance to 10 pounds, the cable resistance will be less than 10 pounds when lifting the cable upwards, but will be exactly 10 pounds of resistance when lowering and releasing the cable on the downward portion of your exercise. When training in isokinetic mode, the faster the pulling speed, the greater the resistance. The slower the pulling speed, the lighter the resistance. This offers a more dynamic training experience to your exercise routine.